All right, y'all, I got a 97 Jeep Grand Cherokee, Laredo. Just got the straight six. This is a 4-liter. This one having a no start, no crank, no start. No crank, no start. Wait, I took the negative cable off because that seemed to be the problem. Let me see what's going on. See this thing loose right here. This ain't supposed to turn like that. See that? That's gonna give you starting problems. You know what I'm saying? The battery terminal is loose. That's gonna give you starting problems. So what you gotta do is, you gotta make sure them things tight. But this right here, see, we got the dash lighting up, meaning we're getting battery power. We getting a no start. It ain't clicking, nothing. So I'm diagnosing right now. I'm gonna start with tightening this battery cable up first. I need all my electricity need to be tight. I jumped the starter relay. Didn't do it. Well, it started. So I know the starter worked. I know the battery worked. I know the engine got sparked, and I know it got fuel. The engine ran. Okay. So I'm alleviating all them problems. But right now, it still don't want to start. So my first thing, I'm gonna try to tighten this and see what it do. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tighten this and see what it do, and then we'll further diagnostic from there.